Today we prepared for you at the cafe a ramen noodle bowl. So it's fresh made ramen noodles with a local fresh caught sockeye salmon.
Not what I expected.
Lots of greens. We have some pea shoots in there. A lot of our food comes straight from the farms around Homer, and even from pork to beef and seafood, of course. Here.
Look at this thing! Oh my god!
So that's a crab melt. I don't know if you've ever seen the show Deadliest, but a lot of those boats dock right in here behind the cafe. And this is a snow crab from Alaska. It's served with avocado and tomato and melted leeks and caramelized onions. And we serve that with a fresh salad with some local produce in it.
So what's your client base? Mainly the fishermen, or you have?
I think, we are probably 50-50 maybe, We have a lot of regulars that will come in every single day, The working fishermen that go out on the boats and they're leaving at, 5:30 in the morning. To the retired fishermen that have lived here their whole lives and just coming in for breakfast.
It's an unusual thing to find this. It's a tiny little place, and I know you have eggs and bacon and things like that on the menu, but like ramen and special crab. Oh my god. This is really, really decadent.
Good. I'm glad you like it.
And this too, but this is like one of those messy.
Yeah, we have large portions here. We want to feed the fishermen well, and feed them fresh things that are grown from around our town.
Good. So delicious. Thanks, Mandy.
Yeah, you're welcome.
It's amazing. Yeah.